Hey there, tech wizards. Welcome to Code with Maddie. Today we are fixing an infamous Maven error. This error usually pops up during the initial setup where Maven struggles to find your Java configuration. It's a common frustration, but don't worry, we will fix it step by step. Step 1. Ensure Java is installed. Visit the Oracle website and download the JDK that matches your system. Once installed, verify it by typing java-version in your terminal. Now configure the environment variable java home. Copy the path to the JDK installation, usually in c/program-file/java. Don't forget to update your path variable. Add java home/bin to the path so Java commands are globally accessible. Next, let's install Maven. Download it from the official website, extract it to the directory, for example, c/maven. Set m2 home in the environment variable. Set m2 home to your Maven directory and add m2 home/bin to the path variable. Now verify the installation by running the command mvn-version to confirm Maven is set up correctly. Now that we have completed Maven setup and Java setup, let's move to Eclipse setup. First, configure installed JRE. In Eclipse, go to Window Preferences. Under Java, select Install JRE. Ensure that correct JDK is selected. If not, choose the appropriate JDK. Go to Maven option and under User Settings, ensure that Maven points to the correct setting.xml file, typically in your m2 directory. Now once you have completed this Eclipse setup, and right-click the project and choose Maven, and under Maven select Update Project. In Update Project, choose Select All and click OK. Now all the files will be updated and your corresponding installation will be configured. Now once they're done, to check our configuration, we need to run the Maven project and display successful build message. Finally, test everything. Import a sample Maven project or create a new one. Run Maven clean install in your terminal or build it directly in Eclipse. If everything is set up correctly, your build will succeed. And there you have it. No more Maven headaches. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe to Code with Maddie for more coding tips and tricks. See you in the next video.